Yeah.
Yeah. Rainy days, rainy nights.
Feel me?
GBM. Had some cold days and rainy nights. Yeah. But it came as no surprise.
No surprise.
When you gotta pay the price.
Gotta pay the price.
Had some cold days and rainy nights.
Rainy
Yeah.
nights.
Look the devil in his eyes before you lose your life. When it come to paying tithes, gotta pay the price. Been grinding, and in the rain ain't no timing. Everything that glitter in life ain't no diamonds. Had to hustle hard days, cold rain felt nights. Gotta learn to live with it. Pain is the only price. You either live and live with that, or you gotta lose your life. Dark clouds follow me round, so I'm higher than a kite. Walk around, hoodie down, steady thinking about my life. When I ride around now, got me clutching on this pipe. Demons playing in my brain, threatening to come and take my life. Nowadays more rain, cause I'm getting scarred more. Looking at the sky, nigga, what I'ma ask Lord for? Rain in my eyes, nigga, I'm knocking at God's door. Put my pride to the side, trying to call on God more. Granny begged me not to slide, so I gotta be strong for her. They gon' try to trap me, nigga, inside of a long haul. Then try to send me up the road to play the oddball. 7-Eleven drive, breaking even with the guys. Been misled, breaking bread, paying tithes. Niggas that I done fed, broke the code and switching sides. Can't shed a tear, though it's cutting me deep inside. Before I'm out of here, look the devil in his eyes. I ain't no fucking quit, I'm still screaming, fuck the other side. Before I go to sleep, I say my prayers and wipe my eyes. Though I'm never scared, nobody really wants to go and die. It's a part of life, you shoot your shot and gotta pay the price. Though it's a scandal, it's hard to handle. You take a gamble, just like a pack of dice. Cause life's a sacrifice. Just hope you make it to the gates in the afterlife. Had some cold days and rainy nights. Yeah,
rainy nights.
But it came as no surprise. When you gotta pay the price. Had some cold days and rainy nights. Yeah. Look the devil in his eyes before you lose your life. When it come to paying tithes, gotta pay the price. Had some cold days and rainy nights. Yeah. But it came as no surprise. When you gotta pay the price. Had some cold days and rainy nights. Yeah. Look the devil in his eyes before you lose your life. When it come to paying tithes, gotta pay the price.
Pay the price. It's your life.
Yeah. That shit crazy, ain't it?
Gotta lose your life.
RIP my niggas that's gone, you feel me? Like, free out my niggas that's locked up, you know what I mean?
My niggas done lost their life.
Hard days, man. Rainy nights, man.
Ain't got nothing for a motherfucker.
I done had to live with them too, man.
It's hard out here.
It's fucked up.